Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Crista. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a simple prom makeup look. This look would suit any gown of your choice. So without further ado, let's get started. My face is already clean and moisturized. To avoid white cast on your prom night pictures, you should not use any makeup or skincare product that has SPF on it. Let's start with a primer. I'm going to use LA Girl and Rimmel Stay Matte. For my foundation, I'm going to mix Maybelline Superstay and LA Girl Pro Matte. I will use a sponge to further blend it. Both of this foundation doesn't have any flashback. It's full coverage and it will last for a long time. For my concealer, I'm going to use MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. I'm going to use this to highlight the center of my face. This one doesn't have any flashback as well, and it's full coverage, and I know it will last for a long time. To bake my under eye area, I'm going to use W7 Banana Dreams. To set the rest of my face, I'm going to use MAC Studio Fix. This is excellent for flash photography as well. For my eyebrows, I'm going to use Loreal and Maybelline Total Temptation. This one is a pomade, and this one is just to outline my eyebrows. I have a eyebrow tutorial. If you want to see it, I will leave the link down below. brow mascara, I'm going to use Maybelline Brow Precise. For my eye primer, I'm going to use Essence Eye Heart Color. To set my lid, I'm going to use Rimmel Stay Matte. Next is eyeshadow. I'm going to use PH Cosmetics Ultimate Artistry Shadow Palette. I'm going to start with the shade. This will be my transition shade. I'm going to apply it above the crease line. For my crease area, I'm going to use this shade. Again with the first brush so it doesn't have any harsh lines. For my outer V, I'm going to use this shade. I'm just packing it on this area. And dragging it a little bit here. With the second brush that I've used, I'm going to blend the top very gently. Packing it again. For my shimmer shade, I'm going to use this one. Then I'm going to use my fingers to pack it up. I lost a bit of that dark brown shade on my outer V area, so I'm going to pack more. eyeliner, I'm going to use BYS One Day Tattoo Liquid Eyeliner. Tight line, and for my waterline, I'm going to use Tarte Sex Kitten. I'm going to apply falsies off camera and I'll be back. To finish my eyes, I'm going to apply this shade on my bottom lash line. Then, very close to my lash line, I'm going to apply this one. I'm going to use a pencil brush. Then this one on my inner part of my lash line. To highlight my brow bone and inner corner, I'm going to use this one. Lastly, for my eyes, I'm going to apply mascara on my bottom and upper lashes. I'm going to use W7 Absolute Lashes. For my bronzer, I'm going to use Hoola by Benefit. For my contour, I'm going to use Tartiest contour, the matte one. Just a little bit because it's very pigmented. I'm going to use the Hoola again for my nose contour. Next one is blush. I'm going to use this one from the Tartiest contour. For my highlight, I'm going to use W7 Glocomotion. For my lips, I have Essence Lip Liner and Tartiest Glossy Lip Paint. The lip paint is in the shade Mint. Lastly, to set everything up, I have Too Faced Peach Mist. So this is the finished look. I hope this will give you an idea on how to do your makeup for your prom night. Hope you enjoyed watching. If you're not yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to get notified whenever I upload new video, please hit that bell button as well. See you in my next one. Bye!